Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's recipe vlog will be on the spaghetti called tarako spaghetti. It's pretty simple, fairly simple. So I'm actually pairing it with some tonkatsu. So there is another recipe in here. So there's tonkatsu, which is a breaded pork. So this is the tarako spaghetti. It looks like it's really simple. Only need a couple ingredients like spaghetti, and that's the what is it? Cod Roe, right? Salted Cod Roe, yeah. And then some salted butter and some basil leaf or shredded sea salt. So I am going to use parsley for garnishing. And you know, like even the steps are really simple. And for the breaded pork, tonkatsu, get the photo, it looks really good, right? So it's also fairly simple. It's not different from what I am used to, but today I'm going to make my own tonkatsu sauce, following the, recipe here. The other day I went to this Japanese groceries. Was it Japanese? I don't know, maybe it was Korean, but I found this thing. It's called spaghetti sauce spicy cod roe. Kind of an instant version of the eggs, the roe. It should be, I mean, I've seen it, like I looked it up and it got pretty good reviews, so I'm going to try that out today. Oh, see, we bought this watermelon for like $1, but he doesn't eat it. He's like, I need smaller pieces. Here. No? Okay. Okay, I'm going to start off with boiling some spaghetti. So we need 400 grams of the spaghetti, but that makes 4 and I only need 2, so I'm going to cut just the spaghetti part to 200 grams and rest the same. So this is about 200 grams of spaghetti. So we're gonna melt the butter. This is, how much is it? 50 grams of butter. I'm going to microwave it for a little bit. And I'm mixing the butter to let it cool a little bit. Yum. Okay, so I'm using the instant cod roe, and in the recipe I'm supposed to add them into butter and mix it well, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just going to take this paste out. Oh my god, it smells silly. Oh, so it doesn't look too pasty. They're good. These are not bad. It's salty. So I'm going to mix that in here. And I'm going to use one more. You know, I was actually really afraid that this might taste really fishy and just weird. But they're actually pretty good. So it looks pretty thick, you know. Just like that. Just mix it well, kind of gently so I don't like smoosh them too much or break them. So I have some parsley here with lemon that I'm going to use it for tonkatsu. But I'm going to just take a little bit of them. That's good.
Get.
짠!
This is amazing.
먹어봐.
This is the Cod Roe.
어때?
It's amazing.
How is the butter?
It's amazing. What's this?
Tonkatsu. I made the sauce. Good? So, the sauce that I bought is supposed to be spicy. A little spicy, no?
No.
I feel it in my throat. And this sauce good. It has like four like ingredients.
It's amazing.
I think if there's butter in here, even without the cod, I think it would have been good. A little bit of salt, pepper, and butter. Are they moving or is it raining?
I think they're moving.
The house is so gloomy. So we've been watching Boys Over Flowers in like every country. So the first one we ever watched was did you ever watch the Japanese one?
You were watching it.
I watched it like
you
before.
had it with you, actually.
I watched it like way before I started talking to you, I think. And then Korea made one like years after, which was like viral. And then they recently started making one in China. A little different.
Yeah, because you know the Jiu part? I guess goes to the girl and say, when I wanna cry, this is what I do. And the next scene made like the
Oh yeah, he does like a handstand.
Yeah. Like everyone's making a meme and stuff.
Oh, they did?
In Korea, I saw it there.
Yeah. I don't know if they have one in Korea. the Korean version, do they have anything like that?
I'm not sure. It's been so long, and I can't watch it without cringing anymore.
I definitely like the Japanese one the best.
The original one.
Like if you think about it, it's so ridiculous. Like these four guys, well at least in the Korean one, these four guys are ridiculously rich.
What about Chinese version? I didn't see it. Are they that rich too, or?
They're rich, but like that's not why they're popular. They're like in college actually.
Right.
And those four guys are really smart. They're like on top of their
they're so much like more responsible guys.
More like it makes sense. Yeah.
They probably fixed all the flaws.
Yeah.
That's cool.
But I think the main one, the main guy out of the four, I think the Chinese guy is the cutest.
Really?
Yeah, he has that like this really angry face, and it's like very like fits the role very well. I think the Korean one, they're supposed to be in high school, but when we watched it yesterday, they look like they just like started like a startup company, or like they just look old. 난 이거 매운데?
Yeah, I tasted that little spiciness, but oh my goodness, this was so good.
It's good.
Never tried it, but my first time eating this. Cod Roe.
Me too. It's good.
Totally above my expectation.
I might make omelette tomorrow.
Oh my. That's.
These flowers are from my engagement party.
They never die. No,
Yeah.
or are they dry?
They're dry. They
But
last.
they looks pretty.
Really, it looks really kind of like rustic, right? 잘 먹었다.